How to use Deep Search app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Deep Search app on your device. You'll find this kind of screen pop up at first. Then you'll find all these options. If you click on most search people, you'll find their information. As you can see, there are so many people. If you click on their profile, you'll find everything about them, sources, and also their YouTube channel, what related questions are there. And also, if you click on enter full name to search and search for somebody, you will be able to see everything about them. You can also search questions of business, relationship, and everything in this way, as there are options at the bottom as well. And this is how to use Deep Search app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.